Urimi wiragwo niguo munyiginyigi wa bururi na nikio Ministry ya Urimi ikoretwo ikirutaniria hari gutigirira arimi a macani ni maregwatira baita thutha wa gukorwo maunitwo moko ni marihi matwikiru uguri-ini wa macani. Kiriro kiao kiaga gukinya muthia angikorwo watho mweru uria wendikithitio ni Ministry ya Urimi ni ukuhitukio bunge na gutuo watho. Umuthi Minista wa Urimi Peter Munya niyaniriire mutaratara uyu wa watho ni murikiriru thutha wa kunanira njung'wa na anyiti itemi yothe na riu mendikithia mawatho uyu ni makinyaniirio.
We wish to inform you that we received numerous memoranda from a cross-section of stakeholders and even the general public, which we have collated, analyzed and extracted recommendations that we found and widespread support and were sensible in terms of reforming this sector.
Mamwe wa maria ministry no yendikithĩtie ni kuhuthika kwa watho wa maiganania gatagati ka athuri na atumia ithurano-ini cia arũgamĩrĩri ithei cia macani o ũndũ ũmwe na kuhamũrithio kwa broker ciothe ũrimi-ini ũyũ.
Inculcation on the constitutional guaranteed 1/3 gender rule in the election of directors for tea factories in order to improve participation of women who form a significant portion of tea farmers in the country. B. Outlawing persons who are not tea farmers from trading in green leaf in order to curtail tea theft and poaching.
Ona kuri o uguo Munya augite ati ni undu wikieha kuona hena andu makoretwo makiogora mamwe ma mendikithia ma ministry yake ona gutweka augite ati thirikari ni irutĩire gutigirira arimi anini a macani ni makinyirwo ni kiria gikiao.
Interested people went around informing the farmers that their land will be taken away and given to the tea factory. That is a lie. It is nowhere in our regulations. Hakuna mahali kwa sheria hii tumepeana kule tunasema mkulima atanyang'anywa shamba lake lipeanwe kwa factory. Hakuna mahali hapa.
Thutha wa mendikithia maya kurikirira ministry no igukorwo ikiungania mawoni gatagati-ini ka muingi na makiria kuma kuri arimi a macani guku nakuo kamiti iria igukinyaniria mawatho macio irigereirwo kumbwo ica ikuhi.
Going forward, I'm already drafting terms of reference for a task force which I'm going to appoint. I'm just concluding that will oversee the implementation of these reforms and other reforms that we are going to undertake. So this is basically the beginning. Huu ni mwanzo. Tuko na mambo mengine mengi ambayo tunahitaji tutekeleze kusaidia mkulima wa chai aweze kunufaika na jasho lake. Na kwa hivyo hiyo kamati ambayo nitategua wiki hii tu, wiki ama ikishelewa sana wiki ijayo.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niwe wathire Ministry ya Urimi ithundure mitaratara ya kugacirithia urimi uyu kurumirira makaya ma arimi a macani gukeire gutukire magitetia kwaga gukinyirwo ni thithino yao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.